Welcome to English Talk Online. In today's video, join John and Sarah as they chat in the park about everything from jobs and hobbies to travel, music, food, and daily routines. English learners, you'll pick up natural conversational phrases, everyday vocabulary, and improve your listening skills with this fun, real-life dialogue. Let's dive in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hello.
Hi there.
Is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
It is a beautiful day today.
Yes, the sun is shining.
It is very warm.
I love this weather.
Me too. I come here often.
Really? I come here every Saturday.
I usually come on Sundays.
Today is a special day then.
Yes, I guess so.
My name is Sarah, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I am John.
Nice to meet you too, John.
Do you live near the park?
Yes, I live 5 minutes away.
That is very convenient.
It is great. Do you live close?
No, I live in the city center.
That is far.
It takes 30 minutes by bus.
Do you like the city center?
It is noisy, but convenient.
I prefer quiet places.
Like this park?
Exactly, like this park.
So what do you do, Sarah?
Do you mean my job?
Yes. Where do you work?
I work at a school.
Oh, are you a teacher?
Yes, I am an English teacher.
That is wonderful.
I teach young children.
Is it difficult?
Sometimes, but it is fun.
Do you like children?
I love children. They are funny. And you, John, what do you do? What is your job?
I work in an office.
What kind of office?
It is a bank.
Oh, are you a banker?
Not exactly. I work with computers.
So you are an IT specialist?
Yes, something like that.
Do you like computers?
Yes, I like technology.
Is your job hard?
It can be stressful
Why is it stressful?
because computers break often.
I understand. My computer is slow.
Maybe I can help you one day.
That would be very nice.
What do you do for fun?
In my free time,
Yes. Do you have hobbies?
I like reading books.
What kind of books?
I like novels and history books.
That is interesting.
I also like cooking.
Really? I love food.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza and pasta.
Italian food is delicious.
Do you cook Italian food?
Sometimes I make good lasagna.
Now I'm hungry.
Sorry about that.
Do you play any sports?
Not really. I walk a lot.
Walking is good exercise.
What about you? Do you play sports?
I play soccer on weekends.
Are you good at soccer?
I'm okay, not a professional.
Do you watch soccer on TV?
Yes, every week.
I don't understand soccer.
It is simple.
Maybe you can explain it to me.
I would be happy to.
Do you see that dog?
Which one?
The small brown one.
Oh, yes, he is cute.
Do you have any pets?
I have a cat.
What is his name?
Her name is Luna.
That is a pretty name.
Do you have a pet?
No, my apartment is too small.
That is too bad.
I want a dog one day.
A big dog or a small dog?
A big dog, like a golden retriever.
They are very friendly dogs.
Do you live alone?
Yes, I live alone.
Is it lonely?
Sometimes, but I have friends.
Do you have a big family?
I have 2 brothers.
Are they older or younger?
One is older, one is younger.
So you are in the middle.
Yes, I'm the middle child.
I'm an only child.
No brothers or sisters?
No, it's just me.
That must be quiet.
Yes, my house was always quiet.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where is your favorite place?
I love the beach.
The beach is very relaxing.
Do you like the ocean?
Yes, I like to swim.
Can you swim well?
I am a good swimmer.
I am not a strong swimmer.
Do you like the mountains?
Yes, for hiking.
Hiking is a great exercise.
Did you travel last year?
Yes, I went to Spain.
Wow, Spain is beautiful.
The food was amazing.
Did you go to Barcelona?
Yes, and Madrid too.
I want to go there someday.
You should go. It is fun.
Do you speak Spanish?
Only a little bit.
Hola and gracias?
Exactly. Basic words.
Language is difficult.
Yes, but English is useful.
Everyone speaks English now.
Where do you want to travel next?
I want to go to Japan.
That is a long flight.
Yes, maybe 12 hours.
But the culture is interesting.
And I love sushi.
Me too. Sushi is tasty.
Do you like music, John?
I listen to music every day.
What kind of music?
I like rock music.
Is it loud?
Sometimes, but I like the energy.
I prefer quiet music.
Like classical music?
Yes, and jazz.
Jazz is very cool.
Do you play an instrument?
I play the guitar a little.
An electric guitar?
No, an acoustic guitar.
Can you sing?
No, I cannot sing well.
I sing in the shower.
That is the best place to sing.
Do you like movies?
I love going to the cinema.
What is your favorite movie?
I like action movies.
With fast cars?
Yes, and explosions.
I don't like violent movies.
What do you watch?
I like romantic comedies.
Those are nice too.
They make me laugh.
Laughing is important.
Do you watch Netflix?
Yes, every evening.
Me too. It is addictive.
I watch too many TV shows.
It is hard to stop watching.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, a little bit.
There is a cafe over there.
That looks like a nice place.
Do you like coffee?
I need coffee every morning.
Black coffee?
No, with milk and sugar.
I like black coffee.
It is too bitter for me.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I drink green tea.
Green tea is healthy.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast.
Just toast?
And maybe some eggs.
I eat yogurt and fruit.
That is a healthy breakfast.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Sometimes. I am not a great cook.
What is your best dish?
I can make a good sandwich.
A sandwich is simple.
But it is delicious.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like hot food.
I love spicy food.
Like curry?
Yes, Indian curry is the best.
It makes my face red.
You should drink water.
Good advice.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
That is early.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
That is very early.
I have to go to school early.
Do you drive to work?
No, I take the train.
Is the train crowded?
Yes, in the morning.
I take the bus.
Is the bus slow?
Yes, the traffic is bad.
I hate traffic.
Me too. It is boring.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 o'clock.
I finish at 4 o'clock.
You are lucky.
Teachers finish early.
But you work at home too.
Yes, I correct homework.
That takes a long time.
Yes, usually until dinner.
You work hard, Sarah.
You work hard too, John.